The daily code snippet. Moving on to audio. The audio element works similarly to the video element. With audio, we will also want to supply more than one type of file to maximize our code will work with as many browsers as possible. You can use the source element to provide options just as you did with the video element, and you can also provide paragraph text as a fallback if HTML5 audio is not supported. This text can let them know that their browser doesn't support the playback of the audio file and can also provide a link where the audio is hosted instead. So in this code example, we have provided a .mp3 file and a .ogg vorbis audio file. If neither of these file types is supported, there is a link to where the file is hosted. Similar to video, the controls attribute will allow the user to adjust whether the audio plays or is paused, and has a progress bar and volume control. And as an aside, if you only have one source of audio to provide, you can also use the source attribute. Presented by Designers Learn Code.